Thank you so much for showing interest in our brand new biohacking product that is launching in Australia in the next couple of weeks. We are so excited to have another nutrigenomics breakthrough coming your way to help enhance your well-being. So what is it? Let me give you a few details. It is called Protandim NRF1 Synergizer. So this is the sister product to Protandim NRF2, and Protandim NRF1 is an awesome complementary product that will enhance your cellular health. You know, as you start to age, it's great because you get more wisdom and more memories, but you also start to feel older and you start to not be able to keep up like you used to. Those things that you'd be able to do all the time, maybe you can't do as often anymore, and you start to lack energy and feel more tired than you usually would. And that's where our NRF1 comes into it, because it's extremely beneficial with the aging process during times of stress and in maintaining your well-being. But the biggest benefit is that it works on the cellular level to enhance your energy levels dramatically. So I want to share with you a little bit about the 5 main ingredients in Protandim NRF1. It is a natural product. You take 2 a day, that's it. So what ingredients are in our NRF1 Synergizer and why? One ingredient is acetyl-L-carnitine. I've got to read off my notes because this is something that I'm still learning myself. So acetyl-L-carnitine is an amino acid. It's a building block for proteins in your body. This is actually naturally produced in your body, and it enhances mitochondrial DNA transcription. Combined with another ingredient, the 2 ingredients together, which are in this product, boosts your mitochondria production, supports healthy cellular aging, and protects against normal oxidization of your mitochondria. There's also coenzyme Q10 or CoQ10, which is an incredible ingredient. It is made in the body as well, and it resides within your mitochondria, where it plays a key role in transporting electrons. So ATP is made, and ATP, that's pretty much where your energy in your body comes from. Combined with another ingredient to support cellular energy levels, stress response, and antioxidant defense mechanisms. How amazing are these ingredients, okay? There's also alpha-lipic acid. So alpha-lipic acid combined with the first and second ingredients are magic. And so this helps to turn glucose into energy that the cell can use. It's able to neutralize free radicals. It can protect all parts of the cell from these free radicals. So massive free radical protection with this. There's grape extract, and the extract is made from whole grapes. So the seed, the pulp, and the skin, and it contains powerful natural polyphenols or flavonols that are known to support healthy aging. The bioactives help activate the NRF1 protein and other biological pathways to maintain good health. This is so exciting. And there's also quercetin. Quercetin? I gotta learn how to say these. So quercetin is made in the body and resides in your mitochondria, where it plays a key role in transporting electrons. So ATP, the energy, is made. And combined with the alpha-lipic acid ingredient, it supports cellular energy levels, supports stress response, and antioxidant defense mechanisms. Amazing. This, if you already have NRF2, this is going to just be phenomenal for your cellular health. If you really want to take your biohacking to a new level, then this is what it will do for you. Just amazing. We are going to absolutely love this. If you are looking to take back the power, to have more energy, to feel even better, then this is what you will want to be taking with your NRF2. If you want more information, if you want details about pricing, any extra info that you need, then please reach out to whoever shared this video with you, and they will help answer those questions, get you any more information. We are going to be rolling out some more info as it comes through to us, and we will let you know as soon as our NRF1 is launched and available for purchase in Australia. Have a great night. Bye.